Hey there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest updates on all things tech and cybersecurity. In today's video, we have a crucial topic to discuss: how to shield yourself from smishing attacks. Imagine this scenario. You're going about your day, innocently checking your phone, when suddenly you receive a seemingly harmless text message. But hold on, my friends. This is when smishing attacks come into play. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly are smishing attacks? Well, let's dive right in and uncover the truth. Smishing attacks, also known as SMSishing, are a form of cyber attack that capitalizes on unsuspecting individuals through text messages. These messages are designed to trick you into revealing personal information or clicking on malicious links. It's a sneaky tactic employed by cybercriminals to exploit your trust and vulnerability. What makes smishing attacks particularly dangerous is their ability to appear legitimate. They may mimic messages from reputable sources like banks, delivery services, or even friends, making it challenging to discern the malicious intent behind them. That innocent-looking text message could be the gateway to compromising your personal data and security. By understanding the tactics employed by smishers, you can develop a skeptical mindset. Always question unexpected or suspicious messages. Remember, legitimate organizations will not ask for sensitive information over text messages. If something feels off, trust your instincts and proceed with caution. Another crucial tip is to verify the sender's identity before clicking on any links or sharing personal information. Take the time to double-check the authenticity of the message by calling the organization directly or visiting their official website. This simple step can save you from falling into the traps set by smishers. Furthermore, avoid clicking on suspicious links, especially those from unknown sources or messages that seem too good to be true. One wrong click can lead to a plethora of trouble, redirecting you to fake websites designed to steal your data or compromise your device's security. Additionally, keeping your devices updated is essential. Regularly updating your smartphone's operating system and apps ensures that you have the latest security patches. These patches fix vulnerabilities and provide protection against potential smishing attacks, enhancing your overall digital safety. So, my YouTube fam, stay tuned as we delve into these strategies in detail, arming you with the knowledge and skills to protect yourself against smishing attacks. Remember, in the vast digital landscape, vigilance is key. Let's stay informed and secure as we navigate the ever-evolving world of technology and cybersecurity. Smishing attacks, also referred to as SMSishing, pose a significant threat in today's digital landscape. These deceptive text messages are carefully crafted to deceive unsuspecting individuals into divulging their personal information or clicking on malicious links. What makes smishing attacks particularly dangerous is their ability to masquerade as legitimate sources, making it difficult to distinguish between a genuine message and a malicious one. Perpetrators of smishing attacks often impersonate reputable entities like banks, delivery services, or even friends, leveraging the trust people have in these sources. The messages they send appear authentic, creating a sense of urgency or offering enticing rewards to lure victims into their trap. It is crucial to remain vigilant and skeptical when receiving unexpected or suspicious messages. Verifying the sender's identity through alternative means, such as contacting the organization directly or visiting their official website, is a prudent step to avoid falling victim to smishing attacks. Additionally, refraining from clicking on links from unknown sources or messages that seem too good to be true can prevent potential harm. Awareness and caution are paramount in safeguarding personal information from the growing threat of smishing attacks, helping individuals navigate the digital realm with confidence and security. When it comes to shielding yourself from smishing attacks, it's crucial to be equipped with essential tips that can help safeguard your personal information and online security. Here are some key practices you need to know. Be skeptical. Always maintain a healthy dose of skepticism towards unexpected or suspicious messages. Legitimate organizations typically refrain from asking for sensitive information over text messages. If something feels off or too good to be true, trust your instincts and proceed with caution. Verify the sender. Before clicking on any links or sharing personal information, take the time to verify the sender's identity. Reach out to the organization directly using a trusted contact method or visit their official website to confirm the authenticity of the message. This step ensures you don't fall victim to impersonators. Don't click on suspicious links. One wrong click can lead to significant trouble. Avoid opening links from unknown sources or messages that appear suspicious. Be cautious of messages promising incredible offers or urgent actions. These links might redirect you to fake websites designed to steal your data or compromise your device's security. Keep your devices updated. Regularly updating your smartphone's operating system and apps is vital. These updates often include security patches that address vulnerabilities and provide protection against potential smishing attacks. By keeping your device up to date, you ensure you have the latest defenses against emerging threats. By implementing these essential tips, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to smishing attacks and maintain a secure digital environment. Remember, staying informed and proactive is key to safeguarding your personal information and online well-being. In today's fast-paced digital world, staying one step ahead of cyber threats is essential. If you're truly invested in fortifying your cybersecurity defenses, it's time to explore the world of reputable mobile security apps. These powerful applications offer an additional layer of protection against a wide range of online threats, including smishing attacks, malware, and more. By installing a reliable mobile security app, you empower your smartphone with advanced features designed to detect and prevent potential risks. These apps typically come equipped with real-time scanning capabilities that identify malicious links, suspicious attachments, and phishing attempts, effectively blocking them before they can cause harm. Furthermore, mobile security apps often provide robust anti-malware protection, continuously monitoring your device for any signs of malicious software or unauthorized access. With their comprehensive threat databases and proactive scanning algorithms, these apps help you maintain a secure digital environment and safeguard your sensitive information. Additionally, reputable mobile security apps frequently offer features like secure browsing, privacy controls, and device optimization tools, enhancing your overall digital experience while keeping you safe. So don't just settle for basic security measures. Take your cyber defense to the next level by installing a trusted mobile security app. It's a proactive step that will grant you peace of mind, knowing that you're well equipped to combat the evolving landscape of cyber threats. Remember, when it comes to cybersecurity, there's always more you can do to protect yourself. As we reach the end of today's video, we hope you found the tips and information shared valuable in your journey to stay safe in the digital world. If you discovered these insights helpful, we kindly ask you to show your support by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you ensure that you never miss out on the latest updates, news, and valuable content we provide. To stay connected and receive notifications for future videos, be sure to click the bell icon. This way, you'll be alerted whenever we upload new content, allowing you to stay up to date with the ever-evolving world of cybersecurity and online safety. Remember, your security and well-being are of utmost importance to us. As you navigate the vast digital landscape, we encourage you to implement the tips and best practices shared in this video. Stay vigilant, question suspicious messages, and always verify the identity of senders before taking any action. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, happy surfing and stay safe out there.